Hello dear students, this is the second video of this week, class 8, chapter number 8, networking concepts. In the previous class, I have already discussed about transmission media that is of two types. First one is guided media and second one is unguided media. Now in this class, I will discuss the following topic. You can see the classification of networks based on the area they cover. First one is PAN, Personal Area Network. Second one is CAN, Campus Area Network. Third one is LAN, Local Area Network. And fourth one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. And the last one is WAN, Wide Area Network. So I will discuss each point. I will discuss each topic one by one. First, you should know that computer networks can be classified in the following criteria. Okay, it can be classified based on the following criteria. First one, it can be classified depending on the area they are covering. Second, it can be classified on the basis of their architecture. And third one, it can be classified on the topology. So in this class, I will discuss its classification on the area they are covering. So coming to the first topic, that is PAN. According to the area, we can classify the computer networks in the following types. First one is PAN, Personal Area Network. You know what is a personal area network? A personal area network is a computer network used for communicating among various electronic devices such as personal computers, mobile phones, etc. And the area of a PAN is typically few meters. Suppose your mobile is connected with your PC or laptop. It is an example of personal area network. Suppose you are using a router in your home and four devices are connected to it. It can be a, it can be an example of a personal area network. You can see this picture. This is the picture of a personal area network. One desktop is connected with a printer, and this desktop is also connected with a laptop, and again this laptop is connected with one mobile and another PDA. So this is an example of a personal area network. Now, what is the medium by which a desktop is connected with a laptop? You can use a LAN cable for giving connection between a desktop and a laptop, or you can give a connection between two laptops or two desktops by using LAN cable. Now, coming to the campus area network, its CAN is known as campus area network. Second point, a campus area network is a network of multiple interconnected local area networks, multiple LANs in a limited geographical area. If multiple LANs are interconnected in a limited geographical area within a campus, okay, then it can be said as campus area network. Now, a CAN is smaller than a WAN or MAN. A CAN is also known as corporate area network, campus area network, or it can be also known as corporate area network. CANs have their own shared network devices and data exchange media. You can see the picture of a CAN, campus area network. You can see, suppose these all four buildings are found inside a campus of a college. So lab building are there, library buildings are there, okay, college building is there, and hostel building is there. All the four buildings are inside a campus. and all the 4 buildings are connected with a network, and this type of network is known as campus area network. Now coming to the next topic, local area network. A local area network is a computer network that is limited to a local area, such as a laboratory or school or an office building. The computers in a LAN may be connected through wires and cables or by means of some wireless technology. You can see the picture of a LAN, local area network. You can see how the connections are given. A router is connected and 2 hubs or 2 switches can be connected with a router. One hub here is found for giving connection to one network of computer, and another hub is found here for giving connections to another network of computers, and 2 networks are interconnected with each other with the help of this router, and Wi-Fi router is also connected to this router. Here a Wi-Fi router is used to give wireless connection to mobile or laptop devices. Now coming to the next topic, that is MAN. Its full form is Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a computer network that usually covers a larger area than a LAN. For example, a network that connects 2 offices in a city. The network of ATMs in a city is an example of a MAN. With the help of this picture, you can understand what is metropolitan area network. You can see different LANs are connected with each other. It is known as metropolitan area network. You can see one office building is here, one university campus is there, university campus of a college. Now residential area, this is the government building. These all networks are connected with each other with the help of server or with some router, which can be connected with the help of some router. Okay, so this can be the example of a MAN. Now coming to the wide area network. A wide area network is a computer network that spans a wide geographical area. A WAN may be spread across cities, countries, and continents. Internet is an example of a WAN. Actually, Internet is considered to be the largest WAN. It is considered to be the largest WAN. So the Internet is an example of a WAN, wide area network. You can see one building in London, and this London, and the building which is connected with the internet, it is found in America and India. All are interconnected with each other. So this can be the example of a wide area network. You can see WAN connects different LANs. Here this LAN is connected, again another LAN is connected, again you can see 4 different LANs are connected with each other. Okay, and it can be connected with the help of WAN. So it can be the example of different LANs are interconnected with each other. When many LANs are connected, it can be said as WAN, wide area network. And in wide area network, different countries can be connected with each other. Now here I will discuss the comparison between different networks. First heading is criteria, LAN, MAN, and WAN. Now, according to the cost, LAN has low cost, establishment of LAN has low cost, MAN has high cost, and WAN has higher cost. When we compare the network sizes, LAN has a small network size, MAN has larger size, and WAN has largest size. When comparing to speed, LAN is the fastest in speed, MAN is slower in speed, and WAN is slowest in speed. Number of computers, smallest in LAN connection, large in MAN connection, and largest in WAN. So this is the comparison. Now in this way I have completed the topic. Now you have understood all the topics very nicely. So today I've discussed the classification of computers depending on area, and they are of following types. Okay, thanks for watching this video, children.